we're delving into a crucial topic that affects millions worldwide: deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism. Stick around as we unravel the causes, signs, symptoms, and explore natural and medical treatments. First up, let's understand what DVT and PE are. Deep vein thrombosis occurs when a blood clot forms in a deep vein, commonly in the legs. If this clot breaks loose and travels to the lungs, it becomes a pulmonary embolism, which can be life-threatening. Now, what causes these conditions? Several factors contribute, including prolonged immobility, surgery, genetic predisposition, hormonal birth control, smoking, and obesity. These factors can trigger the clotting cascade, leading to DVT or PE. Recognizing the signs and symptoms is crucial. Look out for leg swelling. In the case of PE, symptoms may include chest pain, shortness of breath, rapid heartbeat,